kayong lahat. So, time check, 9:37 ng umaga. And ako'y papunta na ng kusina ulit. So, maaga tayo magluluto. And medyo matrabaho kasi ito yung pagbalat nito. Kaya agahan natin. Actually, first time ko magluluto nitong sag na ito. Pero nakakain lang ako pero hindi ako nakakapagluto pa. Diyan na yung basura namin. Pero kanina ko ba ibinaba yun sa amin? Lunch ni Cham for today. Tapos na akong magluto and magsasampay muna ako bago tayo maghatid ng pagkain ni Cham. Okay, sa taas naman tayo magsampay. Ayan ang aming surroundings. Diba ang ganda ng mga ulap, no? Yung formation. Ay, baha pala dito. Lagi. Pero bago yon, iikot ko muna kayo sa paligid. Ayan, oh. Yung pulang bubong na yon, yung mataas, Hyatt Regency Hotel yon. Yung katabi nitong malaki nito, ayun, yung Hyatt Regency Hotel yon. Tapos, ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan yung ginagawang bahay. Ayan ang update ko sa ginagawang bahay. Oh, tara na. Baba, ayun, oh, ang linaw doon. Tara na, baba na tayo. At ako'y maghahatid pa ng pagkain ni Cham. Naihatid ko na yung pagkain ni Cham. Panibagong batch naman ito. hapon ulit. Time check. Time check 5:34 ng hapon at kami ay pupunta ng Cho. Kasama ko si Laluma. So ayan, tapos na kami dun sa ano. Nagpatanggal lang siya ng dito. Anyways. Yeah, but sometimes I wear ano. Where are we going?
You don't wear that much.
Yeah, shorts. Yeah. Oh, ang daming mangga oh. Season na talaga ng mangga. Dito ulit kami. May titingnan siyang. So titingin lang siya dun ng ano, ng screen protector. Bumagsak daw yung mobile niya pagkababa niya sa ano, sa bike.
Where? See? Buy for me this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can buy it later. Lot. Oh.
It'll look good in my hand.
Yeah, so nice watch, right? I like this one.
Red?
Red or blue. Basta blue color talagang.
Yeah, you get covers also, right?
Yeah. How much?
500.
500? 90. Where is your mobile? Where it was? Ayan.
Should I break this? Break this?
Ano?
Should I break this?
No.
यो कतिको this हो?
त्यो बलियो हुन्छ हैन स्मुथ हुन्छ स्क्रैच त्यति
Ayan, may
हुँदैन
scratch yung ano niya.
हजुर
500 rupees daw to. Oh, it's hard.
अर्को 800 यो 800 के हो क्या यो अहिले लगाएको
800 को 800 चाहिँ लगाउनु भयो मसँग यस्तोमा छैन प्राइभेसीमा छ कि प्राइभेसी प्लस एक्समार्ट छ 800 जाने
देखाउनु त
It will.
This is 800 but see.
No privacy.
Yeah.
This one with privacy, no. It will go dark.
Yeah. I don't want privacy.
You don't want privacy. Okay.
यो
See?
राम्रो छ हजुरको यो भन्दा बलियो छ के
800. This
you
one
know.
800 and look at that.
Yeah. So this
यो
one how much?
पछाडिको क्यामेराको लागि कति कति हो?
एउटाको 150
Broken also camera.
Yeah, this I need to fix. My camera always broken.
Sira din yung camera niya.
See,
Okay,
I
just
also
to
need
go
to
on.
vlog, no? So like make
Yeah.
nice picture.
You need to make. You need to
See,
make
because
nicer.
right now my phone is like this, so it will come like this. It doesn't come nice. Look at that. You see the lighting?
Yeah. Why like that?
Yeah. So because it's damaged.
The camera?
Screen and
So ito yung bibili niyang camera.
because of that.
14 Pro Max को ब्ल्याक मा
You want to saw?
सरी एउटै चाहिँ कलर रहेछ भ्यान्टामै छ
How much is that?
ये कति हो? तीनटाको?
हजुर एउटाको 150 पर्यो कि
Three all damage.
हजुर
All damage yung camera
This is
niya.
less damage.
Yeah, every time
But
break.
no, I think all this.
Every time falls down, I think. Okay, so which one you will take?
This one. This one. This no privacy. This screen. And I will also put camera.
Okay. This one nice also. Pala ginagawa.
What do I have to eat?
Tinatanong niya ako ano daw gusto kong kainin. Jajangmyeon, tteokbokki.
That is like it's like wait have patience.
Happy.
Yeah, like it's time. It's not time yet.
It's not time yet.
Yeah.
Chat pate. Anything. I think we can eat dai puri. Dai puri. That, which one? Hintay lang namin yung ano, yung mobile niya. Same like inspector.
Yeah.
Wala nang...
Preset is
Wow!
okay.
Same
Now
like
I'll show
new.
you the camera. Wait.
Okay.
This is my new phone. New phone, guys. Just imagine if this breaks here.
Needs to pay again.
Yeah.
It seems like new now.
Yeah. Now I'll show
I think let's make little bit fun. So now the camera is okay.
Yeah. Nice. It's like this. The camera, look the difference.
Yeah. See, no more
Yeah.
blinking.
See?
It's very clear now.
Yeah.
Let's take photo.
Come here. See? You know, we bought in another shop. He said that, okay, I'm giving you the strongest one. I hope that you don't break this. And I broke it.
Okay. Andito kami. Papunta
Because
dun sa...
lately there is no laughing place.
Oh, really? Before you eat there, laughing,
Yeah,
no?
the other one changed.
Ah.
They went.
So it's new owner
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Gusto niyang i-try dito bago. Dati itong bakery shop, kung natatandaan nyo, mahilig mamili dyan si Champ ng ano, ng mousse. Pero, ayun na siya, fast food na siya. Only kimo, momo, chow mein, chat pate. Aloo chop.
Have burger, if you did not, then I would have.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's
I
not
eat
even
already.
spicy.
So, andito kami ngayon. Mahaba ang pila. Kain kami ng panipuri. Mabenta dito, daming kumakain.
So me once.
Did you tell already? You ordered already? Ang daming kumakain, oh. Haba pila. Long line.
Yeah.
There's queue.
Keep my baby safe, please.
Ayun na yung panipuri.
I don't even know if it's showing up. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah.
Tapos na kami. Ayan, pauwi na kami.
Where you?
There. Let's go there. Pauwi na kami. Libre niya daw ako ng coffee. Masarap kasi ito. Last time na namili kami ni Bidunan. Ayan. Ito masarap din yan. What? What's that?
This one? I don't know. Kulfi maybe.
Kulfi also. Ah. Daming kulfi ulit. Ayan. Milkshake. Kain tayo. Ayan, nandito na ako sa bahay and hindi pa ako nakaluto. Ay nako. So bale, ano ba yan? And hindi ko rin nagawa yun. Sabi ko sa inyong gagawin ko ilang araw na yan. Nakaganyan. Ay nako po. Nag-ikot kami ni Laluma kanina. Nag-food trip lang. So ayun, maya na lang ako magluto. Pagkatapos kasi ngayon ay ano ba? Wednesday, right? Oo, Wednesday. At meron kaming fellowship, kaya hindi pa ako nakakaluto. At ang time ay 6:55 na ng gabi. So, kapos na sa time. So, ayun, i-end ko na po ang video na ito for today. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panunood ng aming mga videos. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo na palagi binibigay sa amin. At sa bawat like, comment at shares po ninyo ng aming mga videos. Sobrang thank you po sa inyong lahat. Higit sa lahat, sa mga hindi po nag-i-skip ng ads, maraming salamat din po. At nawa ay patuloy po kayong i-bless ni God. And then, so ayun, hanggang dito na lang po muna. See you tomorrow. Maraming salamat. Good night everyone. Bye-bye. God bless. Mahal namin kayo. Bye. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, SL Nepal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.